Hello, my name is Macy O'Laren. I'm a student physical therapist with South College. Can I please get your full name and date of birth?
Francis Davalos, March 27th, 1998.
Perfect, Francis. So this is being recorded for educational purposes only. Is that all right with you?
Yes.
All right. So what we're going to be doing today is I'm just going to be checking how your lungs are sounding on both your left and your right, just to compare sides. Is that all right with you?
Yes.
All right. So to do that, I'm going to have to place the stethoscope on different areas of your chest and your back. Is that okay?
Yes.
All right. So we're first going to start off with the apical segment on the anterior right upper lobe. So finding clavicle here and just going superior to that. And what I want you to do is just breathe normal through your mouth, okay? Perfect. Checking on the left side here. Okay, so that would be the apical segment of the upper lobes. So next we'll be doing the anterior segment of the right and left upper lobes. So again, finding the clavicle and just going inferior. Same thing, just normal breath through your mouth. Okay, another side here. Perfect. And next we're going to be doing the anterior segment of the right middle lobe and the lingula. So having a female patient, I'm going to go a little bit more laterally. Typically you go from the xiphoid process, superior and lateral. I'm just going to be a little bit more lateral since I do have a female patient. So following xiphoid process, I'm just going to have you have your hand on your hip. Perfect. And same thing, I'm just going to come underneath your bra, is that right? Again, just normal breath through your mouth. Same thing on the other side. Perfect. And last, we're going to be doing the anterior basal segment of the lower lobes. So again, following the xiphoid process, I'm just going to go inferior and lateral to the lower ribs. And same thing, just normal breath through your mouth. Perfect. And those are all the segments for the anterior portion. All right, now moving on to the posterior side, starting with the posterior apical segments of the upper lobes. So just reverse of the anterior side, going above clavicle here. And same thing, Francis, just normal breath through your mouth. And checking on the right side here. Perfect. And next we'll be going to the posterior segment of the upper lobes. So just going through the spine, spinous process. So what I want you to do, Francis, is just give yourself a hug. Perfect. That'll get the scapulas out of the way. Same thing, just normal breath through your mouth. Checking the right side here. Perfect. And go to the superior segment of the lower lobes. It's going to be between T3 and T7, so just going through those paraspinals there. Same thing, Francis, just give yourself a hug. Find in T3 where the spinous process is. Going down 4, 5, between the paraspinals here. Same thing, just normal breath. Perfect. And then go into the lateral basal segment of the lower lobes. You're going to be more lateral, a little bit lower T7, kind of between T7 and T11. So just working down here. I'm going to have to get underneath your bra, is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay. So just going lateral here. And then same thing, normal press. Good. Switch over to the other side. Perfect. And the last one we're doing is the posterior basal segment of the lower lobes. So starting on the left side, getting kind of between T8 and T12. In here, the lower lobes. And same thing, Francis, just normal breaths. And that'll be a little bit medial to the inferior angle of the scapulus. All right, Francis, that is all I got for you. Thank you so much for working with me.
Thank you.